Crypto.com Earn Explained is a comprehensive guide to understanding the Earn program offered by Crypto.com. The program allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies by lending them to others. To get started with Crypto.com Earn, users need to create an account on the Crypto.com platform and complete the verification process. Once verified, users can deposit their cryptocurrencies into their Crypto.com wallet. The Crypto.com Earn program offers a range of interest rates depending on the type of cryptocurrency and the length of time it is lent out. For example, users can earn up to 8.5% interest per annum on their Bitcoin deposits, while other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Litecoin offer interest rates of up to 5% per annum. One of the key benefits of the Crypto.com Earn program is that it allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies without having to sell them. This means that users can continue to hold their cryptocurrencies while still earning a return on their investment. To maximize earnings on Crypto.com Earn, users should consider depositing their cryptocurrencies for longer periods of time. The platform offers flexible terms, allowing users to deposit their cryptocurrencies for 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year. The longer the deposit term, the higher the interest rate. In addition to earning interest on cryptocurrencies, the Crypto.com Earn program also offers a range of other benefits, including a high level of security and a user-friendly interface. The platform uses robust security measures to protect user deposits, including multi-factor authentication and cold storage. In conclusion, Crypto.com Earn is a powerful tool for anyone looking to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies. By following the steps outlined in this guide, users can get started with the program and begin earning interest on their deposits. With its range of interest rates, flexible terms, and high level of security, Crypto.com Earn is an attractive option for anyone looking to maximize their returns on their cryptocurrency investments.